Hello, today I will talk about Deribit. Deribit is a cryptocurrency derivatives exchange specializing in Bitcoin and Ether futures and options contracts. Launched in 2016, it boasts high liquidity, margin trading, and anonymity. However, its lack of regulation and association with past controversies fuel its dubious reputation. Is Deribit legit or a scam? Yes, Deribit is a scam broker. They don't have the proper regulation from their base country. Also, this platform is based only the cryptocurrency. This is a huge problem along with the regulatory problem. Read further to disclose the dark sides of this scam broker to know more. We will show more details in further sections. Read our Deribit scam broker review for more details. You will get the link in this video description. Red flags and warning signs. The majority of businesses in the Bitcoin industry are unregulated. And one of the main causes of this is the absence of legislation requiring their registration. If bad things happen, where can you get the quick solution? You can contact us through the form on our website. You will get a free consultation and service recommendations to get help in recovering the lost fund. Contact us at brokercomplainalert.com.